So I made a video, stop comparing to the negative, and basically someone I was speaking to inspired me to make that video, but not in a positive way. I thought it was quite silly that they said, Jay, your mum should be proud of you because you're not dead or in prison. So in that video I was talking about basically people compare stuff to the negative. I was talking about there's people out there who say, well, at least I'm not a prostitute and stuff because they're not doing well for themselves and stuff. So go and check out that video. It's called Stop Comparing to the Negative. But this video is basically about just appreciating what you have. Yeah. Now, there's a lot of people out there, they complain about things they haven't got, but they don't take the time to just appreciate what they have. You know how many girls there are out there, yeah? They got a pretty face and, you know, they got a nice bust, but they have low self-esteem because they have a flat bum. Listen, you see last night, yeah, I was in my bed and, you know, like you get suggested videos come up on YouTube. Hopefully one day, a lot of my videos will be suggested videos. So I'm just trying to build up this YouTube channel so I can be in that position. And anyway, a video came up and it was called Top 10 Plastic Surgery Disasters. Go and watch that video. If I can find the link, I'll post it in the description, yeah? And there was one woman, she ruined her face. She was a good looking, Chinese looking woman, Oriental, maybe Japanese. I think she was based in America. And what she did was, you've probably heard this story before. She injected silicone in her face and she injected cement in her face to try and look more beautiful. And it effed her up. They dumped her the elephant woman afterwards. It looked like something out of... if you've ever seen that film Blade, where the guy swells up. I can't remember, they inject him or something like that, but he swells up. The vampire swells up. She looked like that. She totally ruined herself. Now, most of you lot won't do that, won't inject silicone in your face. I know that there's some kind of thing where women inject like lip filler in their lips or something to maybe fill their lips and make their lips look big. Even black girls do it, and black people, we naturally have big lips or whatever, innit? So yeah, but one thing that a lot of girls want to do, they want to like enhance their bum. They want to make their bums bigger because they have like a flat bum. You know, nowadays it's kind of like the fashion to have a big bum. I don't think girls are really interested in having big boobs. It's more of a big bum kind of thing. Trust me, I'm gonna actually go out of my way to get that video to post it in the description, because there was one black woman and I actually saw this on TV and it reminded me when I saw this video last night. She basically tried to, I think, transfer fat into her bum, and she had some injections in her bum, and you know what happened? She got gangrene, and remember, they injected something in her bum. Next thing you know, she woke up from surgery because something went wrong. Yeah, it became gangrenous or whatever. She got gangrene. She woke up and they had to amputate her arms and her legs. They had to amputate the woman's arms and legs because of what she did to her bum. She tried to enhance her bum and she ended up losing her arms and legs. For what? To get a bit more male attention, which is ridiculous. Listen, just appreciate what you've got. If you've got a big nose, then you can say, if you believe in God, God made you that way. Yeah, it's unfortunate, you know, not everyone can be made. No one's made perfect. We all have things that we'd probably like to enhance in ourselves and stuff like that. Just appreciate what you've got. Obviously, yeah, strive for more. You know, if you live in a house and, you know, you don't like your circumstances or whatever, yeah, always try and improve that. Yeah, if you drive a particular car and you say, yeah, you want to drive a more flashy car, yeah, work hard for it. Yeah, always remember what you've got, you know, where you've came from, and appreciate what you've got. Always try for more, but don't try and enhance things you don't need to enhance. If you've got a flat bum, yeah, then try and enhance your flat bum the natural way. Go to the gym, put in the work. Stop trying to do these easy, quick fixes. Oh yeah, I'm just going to invest 5 grand into my bum because I'm too lazy. Listen, you don't need a big bum. What is a big bum really serving you? What purpose is a big bum serving you? We're not made perfect, you know. We've all got our flaws. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Look, listen, I've got a good looking face, yeah. Women tell me I'm cute. They tell me I'm handsome all the time, yeah. Girls hit me up on Tinder. I get stares down the street all the time. Heads turn all the time. But look at my hands. My hands are dry and my knuckles are black. What woman is going to want to marry a man with hands like this, yeah? That's one of my flaws, yeah? Listen, you see the police, yeah? Because I told you I used to get into trouble with the police. I used to get arrested all the time. Certain people, yeah, they have like what they call distinguishing features. or some kind of something or about that person that distinguishes them. So say for example, I had a tattoo on my neck. I don't have no tattoos, but if I had a tattoo on my neck, they would write down, you know, on Jay's description, he's got a tattoo, a dragon tattoo on his neck, or he's got a big scar on his forehead. For me, do you know what they put down in my description to describe me? They put down the man has burn marks on his hands. They think that I've got burn marks. I don't know why my hands are like this, because I don't really cream my hands too often. I don't moisturize my hands too often. But they put down that I've got burn marks on my hands. This is one of my flaws. Look at my hands. No woman's going to want to marry these hands, but I'm not going to get no surgery to flipping remove the scars on my hands. This is what makes me me, yeah? Now, if I punch you, you're going to know about it, because my hands are so dry. Probably graze your skin, yeah? But just always appreciate what you've got. There's a lot of people out there, they think just because, you know, they're broke or they're in bad amounts of debt, their life is over. That can change just like that. You know, it will take time, yeah? So it might not change just like that, but it can change quicker than you think if you're willing to put in the work, yeah? Just remember, so long as you have good mental health and good physical health, there's nothing stopping you from achieving. And if you're not happy with how you are, how your body is right now, yeah? And you're not willing to put in the work, then that's your fault. But if you're not happy with how your body is right now, just remember, I don't want to compare to the negative, but I'm just saying you need to appreciate what you have. Just remember, there's someone right now, same age as you, especially if you're young. They're on death's door. They're waiting to die. You know, they're terminally ill, they got cancer, whatever. And they would love to be able to be in your position with your healthy body. None of us are perfect, but your healthy body that can go out and do things. Do you know how many men out there are guys out there, right? I saw a man once on YouTube. He'd been shot in the face with a shotgun, an innocent shotgun victim. He's finished. He has no face. Yeah, he has a hole in his face where he breathes from. Yeah, he would love to have the opportunity to do what some of us do, go out there and talk to girls and take risk and be a normal person. He would love to be in a position that you're in, yeah, with no money. Yeah, or in massive amounts of debt, or have no house or whatever, so that they can start from again, just be given another chance. So trust me, always appreciate what you have. Yeah, you have a good body, you have good physical and mental health. Appreciate that. Don't settle for that. Always work hard to get more, but never forget that you've got a decent looking body, or you know, you've got good mental and physical health, because you can always improve yourself. But never be so stupid and lazy that you think, oh, I'm gonna go and get, like, you know, all these injections and surgery or whatever to look better. Stop doing that foolishness. Yeah, work for it. You will appreciate it a lot more, trust me. So if you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, change your station.